Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm just gonna show you guys real quick what is your Samsung Galaxy Watch looks like when the battery is about 15%. So as I was waking up today, and then it alerts me that the battery needs to go into battery saving mode. So everything is going to turn into black and white. And when it's black and white, that means it is on watch only. As you can see, when I try to rotate the bezel to the right hand side, none of the app will show me anything, only the notification. Right, so this is all the weather and Twitter stuff. Google Photo, Facebook, sleeping records, daily calorie update, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Line, Facebook, text message. Oh, I forgot. Let me grab my phone too, so I show you how many more days do I have left. So it shows 15%. I have about 1 day, 5 hours, and 18 minutes. Okay. But when you go to watch face, it will not allow you to modify or do anything unless you turn the power saving off. And you only get the notification. As you can see, all the apps, you cannot do anything to it, but you can still send like a SOS request and all those stuff. Find my watch when the battery is about 15% low. So you want to find my watch, you just click on over here. When your battery is low, you can still find your watch. And then you click on start. And then click on stop. Alright, so I just want to show this to you guys first before the batteries drain all the way down. But this is not good to have your battery drain all the way down. You want to start charging about 10%. So that will not ruin the battery. Just want to give you guys a heads up. So be sure to stay tuned. A couple more tests I'm going to do before I do the in-depth full review about this watch. Alright, and let you guys know what do I think about this. Alright, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and then turn on that bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.